Hello everybody, this is Katerina. Welcome to Katya Beauty Style channel. And today, yes, I did my first time ponytail in front of you, and I'm gonna show you how to use this beautiful eyeshadow palette from Bobbi Brown, and it's named Modern Symphony Eyeshadow Palette. What I like about this palette, you have a beautiful 8 eyeshadow, and they only $39, exclusive to Nordstrom's. This is why you need to call me, reach me, text me, and I will send you home, and it's free shipping. And I love this palette because colors, again, it's beautiful, and they're not too intense. You can't mess up with them, like, oh, nothing can go wrong. Okay, please watch my video, comments below, and please let me know what next look you want me to create for you. But also today we're gonna use a navy blue mascara from Christian Dior and lots of good stuff. Okay, let's watch. I don't know about you guys, but when it's winter come, my skin feels so dry, and I usually have a combination skin, like summertime it will be oily to, like, combination to oily, but now it's almost winter and my skin feels very dry, and we're gonna do face first because, like, I can't stand it. See my pigmentation, my skin, it's so dry. First item, which one I'm gonna use, this is LANCôME Rose Mist with Hyaluronic. You can just spray just like this, or I like to spray on my hand, melt these products in my hand and just press, and it feels so good. I'm telling you, you will feel right away nice, beautiful, I'll say relieved. It feels so good and moist. Second item, which one I'm gonna use, it's NATURA BISSÉ. It's a eye cream. It's a lifting eye cream, and I love how it feels. It's not too heavy, and it's a very good energizing eye cream. Third item, which one I'm gonna use, it's Longwear Hydration Eye Serum. You should always use serum first, morning and night. It's come to your skin much more deeper than any moisturizer. Oh, this is even better, I'm telling you girls. Oh, I need this. It feels so good. Love Longwear. For moisturizer, I'm using Bobbi Brown moisturizer, and it's vitamin enriched base. This is moisturizer and primer together. It's a perfect moisturizer when your skin is dry. Again, I put in little amount in my hand, little bit melt this product in my hand, and just press. Okay, now my skin is ready for foundation, concealer, and all these extra steps to make me young, beautiful in front of you. Okay, I hope you like this video. Please comments below, let me know what you want me to show you, what products you want me to show you with selling in Nordstrom, or what products you want me know my opinion. My lips feels dry too, and I'm gonna use right now Christian Dior Lips Maximizer. Give me a nice beautiful hydration and will plump my lips. For foundation, we're gonna use Christian Dior Star. It's have 35 SPF, medium to full coverage foundation, and I like this foundation. It's a long wearing foundation, but you know, I do have large pores. We're gonna use primer first before foundation. We're gonna use today brand Lancer for my foundation primer. It's anti-aging primer. It's minimize my pores, and it's a winning award product. I really like it. I just recently discovered this and it feels so good on my skin, and I like it. Don't have any like scent. Okay, let's put foundation. Magic it's begin. Yes, I always say if you wanna look younger, some people say eyebrows make biggest difference. I say foundation. When your skin looks young, when we don't see any discoloration, pigmentation, you are 15-20 years younger. Also, I'm gonna put foundation a little bit on my eyelid. It's a matte finish foundation, but if you look at my skin, it's glowing, it's not matte. This is why you need to prepare your skin, if your skin dry, with good serums, basically with good skincare. Under my eyes, I'm gonna use brand BECCA, and this is under eye brightener and corrector together, light to medium color. It's very creamy and rich. You need very little amount. And I'm using Trish McAvoy foundation and concealer brush. It's one of my favorite foundation brush. Look how pretty and bright under my eye area right now. It's very creamy, these products. Now for my contour, I'm gonna use LANCÔME foundation stick. I look funny, right? Little bit right here, little bit right here, and now I'm gonna use my foundation brush to blend everything. I blend in my contour a little bit like up to give me extra lift. Now I'm gonna use small brush and I'm gonna contour my nose. Very small amount. I will have a big brush and I will just buff this and blend together with my foundation. Okay, foundation, contour and concealer, it's done, and now we're gonna start eyes. Let's comb eyebrows first. Second step, it will be eyeshadow primer. For eyeshadow primer, I'm using today MAC primer, and it's named Penterly. It's a little bit color, and I'm using actually big foundation brush on entire my eyelid and slightly under my eye. And are you ready? Are you ready? We're gonna use this beautiful eyeshadow palette from Bobbi Brown. So beautiful. And these colors, it looks so gorgeous. Yes, these colors are not too intense. What it means, if you do not really know how to work with eyeshadow, this is perfect eyeshadow palette for you. We're gonna start with this light color, and I will put on entire my eyelid. I apply light color on entire my eyelid. Again, it's very matte and they're not too pigmented. This is what I actually wanted. I don't wanna go and make like too dramatic look. I wanna make like a soft glam look. I actually really like how eyeshadow sits on my skin. Second color, I'm gonna use this color. It's like a brownish, I will say blush color, and I'm using blending brush. Number 2 color, we are pushing this color inside this like a packet, which one we all have. This is how I name. Just push kind of inside, and again I using blending brush because all I want very soft look. Same color, I'm gonna corner and I connecting. we making letter C, but again, remember how we pushing color inside. Same color we're gonna use under your eye, where is our bottom lashes, and we're applying very soft and gentle this color and connect here in this corner. Now I'm gonna use this darker colors in this palette, and I'm using small tiny brush. This color is matte. We're gonna apply very close to my eyelashes. Kind of halfway. We stop right here. Now this darker color I wanna apply a little bit more for my crease. And this darker color I also pushing right now inside. It's okay if it's not perfect, we're gonna blend it. Get this big brush, which one we use, and I'm gonna blend these two colors together. And now I'm pushing close to my eyebrow, and it looks very soft and smoky. Same darker color I'm gonna use under my eye, where is my bottom lashes. What it does, it make my eyes much more bigger. Come back to your big brush and blend. All these colors, it's matte. And now I wanna use some shimmer and sparkles. I feel this is already very pretty, but again, I wanna add some shimmer. I'm gonna use this rosy suede color eyeshadow, and I'm using flat concealer brush of Bobbi Brown, but I'm gonna spray this brush with my favorite LANCôME makeup setting spray. Just very little, spray your brush. And now we're gonna use this rose dusty color. This is where it's our extra pop. For eyeliner, I'm using today Christian Dior waterproof navy color waterproof liquid eyeliner, and it's color 296. And what I do, just press close to my lash line. For my eyelash primer, I use an Yves Saint Laurent primer. I want my eyelashes looks very long and big. And today also we're using blue mascara from Christian Dior. It's actually, I will not say it's bright blue like color you see, it's more navy, but when I do burgundy colors or like pinky colors, sometimes my eye look more red or tired. This is why I love to use navy mascara. Also, if your eyes red, if your eyes tired, if you need extra pop, use navy mascara. It always looks pretty. Okay, my eyes, it's done. I don't know if you see or not, but it's such a beautiful, this navy mascara. And let's finish face. I'm gonna use Medium Plus by MAC powder to set my foundation. Which one I use first? Just very little. And I using this beautiful brush from NARS. It feels so good. Okay, now I'm gonna use a little bit highlighter, and again it will be MAC. This is such a beautiful palette. I use it sometimes for eyes, sometimes for my face, and I'm gonna use a sort like this is color in the middle, and I'm gonna put right here is my bone for extra glam. I hope you like my videos because I truly spending so much time to create them. Now we're gonna use a blush. I have a mini blush from NARS and it's named Orgasm. Okay, I'm gonna use same brush from NARS, Smiling, and very softly built color. And to finish this look, we're gonna use Yves Saint Laurent lip liner number 70, and we are gonna use number 7 Saint Laurent Tatouage Couture lip color. It's a matte color, it's a matte lipstick, gonna stay all day long. I know I always look pretty when I have a neutral lip color. Okay, lip liner again of Saint Laurent number 70. I hope you like this look. I really want to do something simple for you and pretty, and I think I achieved today using this beautiful eyeshadow palette from Bobbi Brown. Happy holiday to you guys, and Christmas it's coming. Let me know what products, what brand you want me to use, or what eye look you want me to create for you. Okay, please support me, comments below. Go to check it out my Instagram or Facebook, Katya Beauty Stylist. Bye.